Thanks for, yeah, that's okay. So it's all right, Ryan. Thanks for doing this interview. I know you have some experience in face-to-face fundraising. What's your advice to other nonprofits trying to raise money this year?
Right. My advice is people are busy, especially in this line of work. The way to really get them to stop and pay attention and to be open to making a change in their life, a change in their budget, which would be donating, is having a real relationship between you and them, you the person asking them. And this job, because of the format, you usually only get about 60 seconds with a person. So the task is, how can you make a real friendship in 60 seconds or less? And the answer is always different depending on the person and depending on yourself. So that's what you're out here finding. That's why you're out here improvising. That's the task that we have.
Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Thanks, man.